MGTV, η ομογένεια κοντά σας.
This is Lou Katzos. I'm the president of EMBCA, the East Mediterranean Business Culture Alliance. Tonight we're having another fascinating event. We have business events and cultural events. Tonight's event is going to go into the pharma industry and biotech industry. The event is called The Evolution of Pharma and the Biotech Industry in the 21st Century. It's a panel discussion. It's an excellent panel of major figures within the industry. Enjoy.
Good evening. My name is Sotiris Steriopoulos. I'm the CEO and president of A2A Pharmaceuticals. We have a wonderful event today here at the EMBCA looking at the evolution of pharma and biotech and the ability to bring new therapies to patients, which is what all of us are actually striving for and wishing we could do. We have a wonderful event with some incredible panelists, Dr. Stelios Papadopoulos, Eleni Andreopoulou, Dr. Tanya Small, and Dr. Francois Lafleur. All of them incredible people in their own rights and in their own field.
Hi, I'm Stelios Papadopoulos. I've been here tonight along with my colleagues on the medical profession to discuss advances in science and medicine, the innovations going on in academia in conjunction with companies, funding levels and challenges, and ultimately what is the best way to deliver appropriate cutting-edge healthcare to patients.
I'm Dr. Eleni Andreopoulou, an Associate Professor of Medicine and the Director of the Clinical Cancer Research Program at Weill Cornell New York Presbyterian Hospital. We're here tonight to address the evolution in the biopharmaceutical industry and emphasize the ties between the academia and pharmaceutical enterprise. Through the years, we have witnessed a great progress, and this progress is mainly because of strong collaborations between these two sectors. With all the respected strengths, they have contributed major advances for the treatment of diseases, including life-threatening disease, as is cancer, which is my subspecialty. In the very beginning, drug discovery was mainly because of serendipity or completely random screening. But over the years, with the progress made and the technological advances enabling us to have a better understanding of the biology of the diseases, we're now in a position to implement drug discovery and development, which is disease-centered, and it's informed by our knowledge. We're celebrating a completely new era of expedited drug development through major technological advances and great steps made in biology, genetics, precision medicine, most recently sequencing, and all the invaluable information we have from the publication of the human genome and the human cancer genome. A great challenge and an opportunity in the sector of drug development is that now we understand better the biology of the disease, and especially in cancer medicine, we're in a position to address the evolution, the dynamic evolution of cancer and all the mechanisms associated with resistance to therapies. Great steps have been made, again from the first treatments that became available through serendipity. We're now in a position to work with novel targeted therapy that addresses the disease in personalized manner. And we're in a position to talk about curative attempt, especially in the area of cancer, great developments and great perspectives ahead.
I've been in pharmaceutical industry for a little over 25 years in various companies and various functions, with the absolute interest always in advancing the science and also the research component of it all. My background right now is at Drayson Pharmaceuticals. I oversee their clinical operations. It's a first risk for me. It's a small biotech company based in New York. And I decided at this point in my career to basically take a little bit more of a risk entrepreneurially, and also from a research perspective, we're looking at a different type of pathway and environment for development. And prior to that, I was in various functions, as Satir has described, always in oncology and hematology as well, and a few times in other therapeutic areas as well. So thank you for the invitation.
MGTV USA. Οι δραστηριότητες της ελληνοαμερικανικής κοινότητας με βίντεο και πλήρες ρεπορτάζ. Επισκεφτείτε την ιστοσελίδα μας mgtvusa.com. Καλύπτουμε καθημερινά τα γεγονότα στην Ομογένεια.